In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import videos to DaVinci Resolve. If you're new to DaVinci Resolve, don't worry. Importing a video is one of the first and easiest things you'll learn, and once you know where to click, the process is very straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, open DaVinci Resolve and make sure you're inside your project. Once you're ready, look at the very top of the screen. You'll see the main menu bar, and this is where the Import option is located. From the top menu, click on File. This opens a drop-down menu with several different project and media options. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the correct menu, because this is where many beginners first learn how to bring media into the program. After clicking File, move your cursor down to Import. When you hover over Import, another menu will appear to the side. This submenu gives you different import choices depending on what you want to bring into your project. For this tutorial, the option you need is Import File. Go ahead and click Import File. As soon as you do, a file browser window will open on your computer. This is where you can navigate through your folders and locate the video you want to bring into DaVinci Resolve. If you already know where your clip is saved, simply go to that location. If not, take your time and browse until you find the correct file. Once you've found the video you want to use, click on it to select it, and then confirm your choice in the file browser window. After that, DaVinci Resolve will import the video into your project. In most cases, the clip will appear in your media area and be ready for editing right away. And that's it. That's the complete process for importing a video into DaVinci Resolve. It's a simple sequence. Go to File, hover over Import, click Import File, and then choose your video. A helpful tip is to make sure you're importing the correct clip before moving on, especially if you have multiple versions of the same video saved in different folders. Staying organized from the beginning can save you time later when you start editing. Now you know how to import videos into DaVinci Resolve quickly and easily, and you're ready to move on to the next step in your editing workflow.